Celebrate with words, understanding, holiday feast. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to dive into the festive phrase, holiday feast. Whether you're new to English or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this video will serve up some delicious insights into this celebratory term. So, let's get started and unpack the meaning of holiday feast together. A holiday feast refers to a large and often luxurious meal that is prepared and enjoyed during a holiday. It's a time when friends and family gather to celebrate with an abundance of food. The word feast implies more than just a regular meal. It suggests celebration, indulgence, and community. Feasts are steeped in tradition and are a cornerstone of many cultural celebrations around the world. They symbolize togetherness, gratitude, and joy. During a holiday feast, people often eat special dishes that are not typically made for everyday meals, and these dishes can have symbolic meanings specific to the holiday. You might hear phrases like, prepare a holiday feast, or gather for a holiday feast. These phrases emphasize the action of coming together and the preparation involved in creating such an important meal. The term can also be used metaphorically, as in, a feast for the eyes, to describe a visually stunning experience related to the holiday season. Let's see how to incorporate this phrase into your English conversations. We're hosting the annual holiday feast this year, and everyone's invited. The table was laden with food, a true holiday feast. I hope this video has given you a taste of what a holiday feast is all about. Remember, it's not just about the food, it's about the experience and the memories created around the table. If you're celebrating a holiday soon, may your tables be full and your hearts even fuller. Until our next video, happy learning and bon appetit!